Okay, the next resistance machine we have here is the seated chest press, which is going to work your pectorals, your anterior deltoids, and your triceps. First things first, I want you to sit down on the machine. We've adjusted the seat here, so your head's on the headrest, your feet are nicely on the floor. Excellent. Grab the handles where you feel comfortable and just push it directly in front of you. Excellent. So we just want to perform a few reps of these, pushing it directly in front of you without locking out the elbows, keeping the wrists in alignment with the forearms, nice strong wrists, feet planted on the floor, back against the backrest, head against the headrest. Excellent. Breathe out as you push forward and slowly control the movement forward and back. Excellent. Is this weight feeling all right for you? Good. Your technique is looking really good. Elbows bending to a 90-degree angle. Excellent. Pushing forward and not locking out. Good work.